Jumbo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So be it. Go so be it.
In the 1200 BC, in his tomb there's a depiction or a picture which depicts 4 different characters. Ammianus Marcellinus writes, "The men of Egypt are mostly brown or black, with a skinny and desiccated look. Current Egypt, pseudo-owned by Arabs. People have been made to purposefully displace Egypt from Africa. This is how it is done. History is explained in such a way that it omits black civilization prior colonization. It is as if 5,500 years ago, Egypt was removed miraculously and swept away from Africa and the Nile Delta. And it floated like an island on the coast of Syria in the Mediterranean Sea, in the seas of the Levant, until Arab conquerors came to haul it back to its original place in the northeast of Africa." So, during the kingdom of Djet, or the Nubian kingdom, this is 3,600 to 3,200 years before Christ is born. Here, the Osirian drama becomes popular. And now, as the Ethiopian Nubian kings and queens move from Nubia in Ethiopia into Kemetic, we find in the first dynasty, or in the Thinite dynasty, King Menes, or King Menefer, or King Namer, who rules over united Kemet. Then we see the White Wall, or the city of Memphis, being established as Kemet's administrative capital. Then a temple dedicated to Ptah at the White Wall and Neit at SOU are erected. Then King Aha the fighter reigns for some time before King Djer, or King Atotis reigns. King Atotis reigns for a good 47 years. During this period, books are written on important futuristic subjects such as anatomy. Then King Djet and King Dan, or Udimu, experiment with a stone as building material. During this time, a queen called Queen Mer-Neit also rules over Kemet. She is then followed by King Anejib. He is followed by King Semerkhet. Then the first dynasty is officially closed by King Ka, who reigns for 25 years. Second Kemetic dynasty, which is the period between 2,890 years to 2,686 years before Christ is born.
So, tribe, support our Sons of Asur channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below, sawa? Kwaheri, So Tribe.